Here we are at the Union Square Greenmarket, and we're going to be looking at vegetables for Thanksgiving sides today, including cauliflower, sweet potatoes, green beans, all manner of things, potatoes. Let's go. I'm going to give a shout out to these are really beautiful, and they're fantastic for those of you who want to be more low carb over the holidays, because you can make like fake mashed potato. Oh, this is a beauty here. Beautiful. It's got no marks on it. It's just white and beautiful. Now cauliflower comes in other colors, which is great if you want to roast it. These ones that look like cheddar cheese. White ones, of course, and then my favorite, the romesco, which is just so strange looking. These are green beans. You need to top and tail them to get the string out of them, but they're fabulous, and you can serve them with sautéed mushrooms. You don't need to have them in the gloopy mushroom soup sauce that usually comes with it. You can add some purple beans. These have the same flavor as a green bean. I just love these. That's so festive, I think. You can get some little dumpling squash like this and just cut the top off and stuff them and roast them. You can actually twice cook them, like twice cooked potatoes. They're really delicious. And I love these. These are so cute. Little tiny cabochas squashes. These are fabulous. These small vegetables make great sides. And some beautiful kale here too for an extra green. Sauteed with a bit of garlic. Yummy. And these are great too. These are collard greens, which are fantastic. You don't need to cook them with a ham hock. You can cook them with a little bit of smoked paprika, and they'll have exactly that flavor that sort of smoky, meaty flavor that is so delicious with them. And I love this tatsoi, beautiful bitter green. These are fabulous. All greens are great, make great sides. And these are great. You can steam them and have them with vinaigrette as a starter, or you can literally just roast them, shred them and roast them quickly in the oven. They're just delicious. Oh, and these are beautiful. These are cabbages, which are, again, you wouldn't think of it as being a festive vegetable, but these cut into thin wedges and roasted, just delicious, just super delicious. Oh yeah, this is something else. If you want to make a pretty dish, you can always roast these different types of carrots together, or even just steam them. It's as you like them. But you've got the purple, the regular ones, and the golden ones. They're beautiful. Also kohlrabi. This is kind of a good one to add in with the beets. This is a member of the cruciferous family, and these are really great low-carb, delicious veggies that you can use sort of interchangeably with potato. But we've got some fantastic mushrooms. These are shiitake, to saute and fry up with to saute to have with the green beans rather than the soup that we were talking about earlier on. There's also portobello mushrooms here too, and even some oysters. There's not much left, but the restaurants have all been here. Wow, this is amazing. More mushrooms. Look at these oyster mushrooms. They're fabulous. How beautiful is that? There's a whole ton of beets down here. These make great roasted vegetables. They've got golden beets here. These are yellow on the inside. They're really pretty. They're mixed up with the red ones. It's a fabulous, simple roast veggie plate. These are great. These are regular turnips. And these are fantastic, mixed in with the beets and roasted. They're just delicious. It's very traditional in France, but they really are delicious because their pepperiness just softens and tastes delicious when they're roasted. And by the way, too, you can eat the greens on these as well. These are fabulous. These are slightly different. These are Japanese turnips, which you can actually eat raw. They're sweet enough to eat raw, but these also are great, you know, as a side dish roasted. By the way, they're a member of the cruciferous vegetable family, and they're rich in vitamin C. I mean, they're really a great nutritious veggie to have in the winter time.